Today is day 7 of the 4 eggs versus 4 liquids experiment. Before we open up each egg, let's take a closer look at the cups. The Coca-Cola egg looks like it spawned some sort of creature. Look at it. The vinegar egg, the shell is completely gone. The Mountain Dew egg is floating when it wasn't floating. Check it out. Now it's floating on day 7. The Monster Energy drink egg has a bunch of sediment at the bottom. We can stir it up and check it out. Look how much of that is just all loose, I'm assuming egg shell. Let's take a closer look at this strange thing right here. The first one we're gonna cut open is the vinegar egg. Let's get one last final look at it. I'm gonna give it a nice firm squeeze. It almost feels like this is what a breast implant would feel like. I'll be honest with y'all, I don't know no one with breast implants, but it looks like some sort of silicone implant, right? Time for this egg to go under the knife. How ironic, right? All right, guys, we're gonna cut it straight through the middle. Oh! Yo! That's wild! Yo! I'm thinking that thing was gonna be hard like a hard-boiled egg. Look at, this is the shell, guys. This is the shell, bro. I did not expect. Yo, so much for that. Look at the shell, guys. Let me see if I can pull out the yolk. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at the yolk. This is crazy. Did the yolk change in any way, shape, or form? No, the yolk still looks like yolk. Time to crack open the Coca-Cola egg. Wow, look at that, guys. Now I'm expecting the inside of this egg to be dark brown like the outside. The shell is still hard even after 7 days. Let's tap it with the knife. Let's try to crack it. Like if we're cracking an egg, we'll put some pressure. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna try to peel off the shell. Oh, it's still soft on the inside too, guys, but the egg is stained from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is a stained egg, and look at it. It's all brown, but for the most part, it maintained its color. And then the yolk, let me feel the yolk. The yolk, other than the spot that was coming out of the shell, surprisingly, the egg is still the same color a normal egg would be. Next up is the Mountain Dew egg. This one, look at it, it's cracked. It feels hollow. Yo, it felt so easy to break. The shell is so soft. Wow, look at that. That's incredible, guys. And here's the yolk. And there's not much color difference on the inside of the yolk. But the eggshell is super soft. Last but not least, the Monster Energy drink egg. The eggshell stood pretty strong. Other than it being foamy and frothy, it looks like probably in another week or two, this shell would have disintegrated more. But let's tap it and see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, there you go, guys. Check it out. Dang, looks like a regular egg. Wow. But again, if we look at the inside of this, it looks fairly normal. Fairly normal. I don't know about you guys, but for some reason I was under the impression that at least one of these eggs would turn out to be like a hard-boiled egg on the inside, especially the vinegar egg, considering how it was squeezable and the way it looked. But nope, all 4 eggs popped like regular eggs on the inside. The liquids that did the worst damage to the eggshell was number 1, vinegar. Number 2 was Mountain Dew. That one fractured the eggshell. Number 3, we had a lot of discoloration from the Coca-Cola egg. And number 4, surprisingly, coming up at the end was Monster Energy Drink. What's shocking about Monster Energy Drink coming up at number 4 is it's said that the acid level in Monster Energy is like battery acid or stomach acid. In my personal opinion, I would say the worst 2 corrosive liquids here were vinegar and Coca-Cola. Even though Mountain Dew is a close runner-up, vinegar in 24 hours completely changed the shell and the texturity of the egg. Coca-Cola also stained the egg tremendously. The egg is stained. Just imagine that on your teeth after 24 hours. Mountain Dew definitely did do some damage to the eggshell. That was the first one to cause a rupture. The Monster Energy Drink looked like it needed some time to attack the eggshell, but it was definitely doing its thing. But that's what experiments are about, guys. We're all here to learn together. I did not know what to expect from this experiment, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one.